Alright, we're going to take a look at kind of a lesser known vacuum cleaner. Um, we're going to take a look at this EuroPro bagless stick vac. Um, I just looked at the amperage on this and I'm quite surprised about the amperage of this machine. Um, there's your power switch. So this machine is 7.5 amps, which I'm quite surprised about. It does not have the rotating brush. It just has straight suction, but it's got these little brushes here. Um, to help. Well, it's got these little brushes here as an agitator. Again, it doesn't really do anything. There's your little suck hole there. Um, the machine was plugged up pretty bad when I got it. Take off the container. There's the instructions on the container. There's the inlet. This cartridge filter in here was, hang on a sec. Okay, so this cartridge filter was plugged up pretty bad. I took a butter knife and kind of scraped it out, and then just broke it loose, and then just sucked it out with another vacuum. This is the little screen that separates the dirt from the air. There's the little bracket that it sits on, and the dirt comes in right there. It's got a little hose here, probably a 3-foot hose, probably 3 or 2.5-foot hose, and then it comes with a crevice tool and a dust brush. But it's basically all it comes with. But these vacuums are pretty rare. They don't make this machine anymore. It moves a lot of airflow. I can tell when I'm running it that it moves a lot of airflow. But yeah, this canister is pretty hard to get on. Let me pause the video real quick. Okay. And then the hose just sits on there like that, and then it gets into, you push it into these little clamps here. I'm gonna say between me and this vacuum, it's probably about 4 feet tall. That's how I could say it. Or maybe 4.5 feet tall. I do not like this handle. It's pretty awkward. I mean, it's not bad. It's just straight. I don't like how it's straight. It's got a cord clip on it. So anyway, let me show you how to hook up the hose. Give me a second. Okay, I had to take the cord off so I could show you it. But so there's this little button right there. You press that. It's hard to do with one hand, but I gotta use my feet here. Sorry if I'm using my feet, but it's the only way I could get it off. So there's the floor tool. And then you take the hose. It's very, very complicated to do. Well, awkward, I should say. The hose snaps in pretty easy. The floor tool doesn't really do. This hose is less than 1.25 inches. Well, the fitting is 1.25 inches, but the inside of the hose in here is very, very thin. So you're gonna have to be careful about sucking up big stuff. This reminds me of a Shark Navigator lift away. Give me a second. So yeah, it's pretty awkward to use the tools. Anyway, I'll go ahead and run it. Let's use it on the floor over here, which really needs to be vacuumed. So I'll do that. Oh, and it's got cyclonic action. Let's see if I can show that. So anyway, that's my little EuroPro vacuum. So yeah, that's all. Bye for now.